Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I have a video about rice. Yes, a lot of people love rice, and the rice that I'm cooking today is going to be long grain rice. It is a requested video, so if you guys are ready, let's get started. So to get cooking with our long grain rice, we are going to need a pot, and of course you are going to add 3 cups of water to the pot. And this is going to be for 2 cups of rice. So I'm measuring 3 cups of water to 2 cups of rice. So after adding your water in the pot, you are going to boil your water on medium high, and you're going to go ahead and add either some butter or some oil, some vegetable oil, and I'm adding a half tablespoon of vegetable oil. So the next thing that we're going to do is move on to washing our rice. As you guys can see over here, it is long grain rice. And then I'm looking at the directions. So the direction says for 2 cups of rice, you need 4 cups of water. We didn't do that. We only used 3 cups of water to 2 cups of rice. So right over here, I am just going to measure my rice in the bowl like I'm doing. And then we're going to go ahead and rinse it off. So you want to rinse off your rice as much as you can. I think in this video, I rinsed off my rice 4 times. I was trying to make sure that all that starch from the rice, was really out. As you guys can see over here, the rice is now ready. And now we're going to move on to the cooking parts. So as you guys can see over here, the water has boiled, and we are going to go ahead and dump in our rice in this hot water. And you want to go ahead and stir just a little bit to make sure that the rice is sitting well in the pot. So for this recipe, I decided to use my timer. So the first part of my cooking, I am going to set the clock or the alarm to 4 minutes. And then we are going to let the rice boil without a lid. And then when the 4 minutes is done, we are going to be right back. So the 4 minutes was done. As you guys can see, you want to go ahead and stir gently, not too much of stirring because you don't want it to, mush the rice. And then again, go ahead and set another 4-minute timer like I'm doing right over here. So now our timer is out again. We are going to do the same thing again, gently, on the side. Make sure that the water is evenly distributed in the rice, and also the oil is moving around evenly. And this time we're adding a lid to help steam, and you are going to reduce your heat to a low medium heat. So it's going to be between 5 and 4. And again, the timer went off, guys. So you want to go ahead and do the same thing. Guys, the rice is not yet done. It's like, the water, you can tell that the water is not gone down because you need it to be, it's a way that the rice looks like when you know that it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead and taste the rice to make sure that we don't need to add any more water. But, I tasted it and I thought, it was perfect. It didn't need any water. The only thing that we needed to do is add our lid to allow it to steam. And make sure that it is on really low, between 3 and 4. And this time you're just going to wait for it to steam. And then after that, your rice is ready. And this is how it looks like when it's ready. So for the steaming part, guys, I did add my timer for another 4 minutes. And this is how it turned out to be. So it is so fluffy, and you can go ahead and serve it. You can eat it with whatever you want. Of course, guys, I am going to show you guys what I ate with this rice in the next video. And I just want to say thank you for subscribing, for commenting, and thank you for, suggesting this video. I really enjoyed making this. And before I forget, so the total time for cooking this rice was 16 minutes. And guys, I just want to say thank you. And I will see you guys next time on She's So Randomly Make. Give it a comment, give it a shout out, and just show some love. Bye.